friends, welcome to SAISHA'S words. Hey guys, today we are gonna make a delicious breakfast for our family, but for me, something different. I'm gonna eat this. These are heart-shaped crackers. Now you can see it. They are heart-shaped because we are a best buddy. So for my family, I'm gonna make a poha. In Hindi we call it poha. In English we call it rice and flax. So let's do it now. Here's the dish which we need for the rice poha. I mean rice and flax. These are cute little peanuts. These are baby potatoes, but if you buy some big potatoes, they will not look cute. And these are onions, these are curry leaves, and this is mirchi. Oh, I will not touch it because that's all spicy. But be careful if you chop. You should ask a grown-up for help. Be careful, guys, for chopping the vegetables, because you should always have a grown-up for help. That is dangerous. So if you have a dad or a mother or some other kind of family member, you can use them for help. My father has cut all these. I am also taking help from my parents. And be very careful if you chop. You don't light it by yourself. It's very dangerous. Now we are gonna put some ghee. G-H-E-E. But it's actually cow ghee. So my father is opening it and putting on the bowl. So our poha will be delicious. So I hope you like this video, but the video is not the end now. If you like this channel, subscribe to this channel and hit the bell button. And please watch it till the end. Now for 2 minutes you have to stir them. Now you should take it out when the color becomes to brown. And we put cow ghee for a really healthy recipe. Children, please stay away, because if you fry them, and be close if your mother or father is not around, then it pops like pataka. Pataka means crackers. Not eating crackers. Like after peanuts, we have to put potato. We are putting potato, but then after we will put this onion. If your mother cuts another onion which is different from this, your eyes will sweater. Kids, my father is doing all the cooking because it's very dangerous. You can see my father is doing it because it's more dangerous for me to use it by myself. Now we will put chili. But be careful if you touch it and put it in your eyes, they will burn like so. Now curry butter, now it's popping, so I will stay away and let my father do the job. Now we are going to put onion. Yay! Onion! Now be careful, like I always say. Peanut. Now you can see that the potato and onion are done. You can check it by breaking the potatoes to pieces. It is so easy to break. I mean, they are ready. If they are not easy to break, then they are not ready. Now we are putting a bit of haldi and a bit of salt. Now my father is mixing them together. And they become lallo. All the ghee make them lallo. Look at that. Now we are going to put this to the mixer. It will be a little dangerous, so you should stay away. Now you should mix them. When now ready, and it's very yummy. Now is actually now my to off it. Okay, I have to off this. Now I have to turn like this. Now it's ready. Now we will put it on a plate, which is good and new, and put it on the plate. Now I'm gonna eat. I hope it's very delicious. It's good. It's very healthy. Yum. If you want to come to my home and I want to eat this, I can cook it and put it in a plate and feed you too. Now we are gonna make my breakfast, and my breakfast is heart-shaped crackers. Now these are nice crackers, and they are heart-shaped because I said it before, because we are a best buddy. Now we are gonna make my breakfast. First, ghee. It's cow ghee, the same ghee which we make for poha. Now that is enough. Now when the oil gets hot, we can put some crackers. Now I'm putting 1, 2, and 3. Oh, that was a float. Oh, they float. Now they will become huge and marvelous. And then they are being ready to eat them. I love. Now we will put some more. Now we are not leaving yet. This is what the normal heart looks like, and this is what a heart that cooks like. The heart increases or big. Look how much big it is. Can you guess which one is the biggest and which one is the smallest? This one is the biggest and this one is the smallest. And this one is the big. B-E-B-I-G. And I think this will be delicious. It's good. Now we're going to have breakfast.